Hello, my name is Zach Braun, and I completed the Convolutional Neural Network project for CS6476. So to start off, I did some pre-processing. I downloaded the Street View house number dataset, the training and testing sets from the provided link. From there, I extracted a bounding box around each digit using the provided .map file, and that allowed me to create a class distribution of each digit. The next thing I did is I extracted a random rectangle from each image for the no digit class. So that led to a training class distribution that looked like this. The no digit class had the highest amount of things in it, and that's because I took one from pretty much every digit, and then the ones also had a high amount. So then the testing class distribution is also very similar. So the first network I did was a custom convolutional neural network, and so this one was a pretty basic one. It was just really basic. I want to see how grayscale worked and just how a basic sequence of convolution, pooling, batch normalization worked together. So this one I did early stopping with a patience of 5, so that meant that if there were 5 epochs where the validation loss was the same or increased, it would stop early. So this one achieved an accuracy of 92.6% and ran for about 40 epochs. And so then this the trained VGG, and so this one I just took the VGG architecture and trained all over it, over the whole thing with no starting weights. So this one also had early stopping, and it stopped around 35 epochs and achieved an accuracy of 93.55%. The pre-trained VGG used the ImageNet weights as a starting point, and this one also had early stopping, and it achieved 95.16% and ran for about 14 epochs. So this one was a frozen. This is where I froze the ImageNet weights at the start, and then ran the training on just the bottom ones that didn't already have the ImageNet weights to start. So this one actually achieved the lowest accuracy, and it got 68.27% and ran for 78 epochs. So here's just an overview of the overall accuracy. As you can see, the pre-trained VGG did the best. That's the one that started with the ImageNet weights. And so then for post-processing, I started with a sliding window and image pyramid. That didn't really work. There seemed to be a lot of tuning for each image. So from there I used the MSER to identify possible text areas, and then I extracted a region of interest, applied inferencing, and a threshold of the confidence to determine the final digit. I did have to apply a different confidence value for the ones class. That one needs to be 95% instead of the other ones at 90%, just because there seemed to be a lot of ones. So these are examples of correct classifications, and here's examples of incorrect classifications. Thank you for your time.